W. Curtis Preston from TrueBit TV. I'm talking to Carlos Escapa, SVP, Director of Products for Unitrends. How's it going, Carlos?
Great.
Or should I say, ¿cómo está?
Estoy muy bien, gracias.
Great. That's about all we're going to do in Spanish for the
No
interview.
siesta, no mañana today.
Right. No mas, no mas. So, Carlos, I originally interviewed you back. Actually, it was the single best outtakes. I think you saw the outtakes of
It
how
was
many
hilarious.
times it took me to get your name of your company and you right back 2 years ago, I think, at
That's right, yes.
VMworld.
It was a very humbling experience.
Yep, it was, and then you became one of the stars of our music video. Which, if you haven't seen Swift Shop, make sure to check out that music video and look for Carlos at the end, the anchor of the video.
Mm-hmm.
So you were at Virtual Sharp Software. See, I can't even say it today, and which was originally. Tell me about that.
So we were the pioneers in recovery assurance, and we saw an opportunity to orchestrate the recovery of workloads that were working across clusters, across clouds now, and be able to provide compliance proof around the recovery processes.
Which, as a person who cut my teeth making backups and making restores, I think that's a great idea. And then what happened? Somebody else thought it was a great idea, and you got acquired.
Yes, Insight Venture Partners approached us, and we were acquired by one of their portfolio companies, PhD Virtual. And a few months later, Insight acquired also Unitrends that became a portfolio company, and then the companies were again combined. So we've gone through 2 mergers, acquisitions in less than 12 months.
So what's that been like?
It's been great because what we have done is integrate our original technology, the one that we brought from Virtual Sharp, into the backup solutions from both PhD Virtual, the virtual backup product, as well as the Unitrends Enterprise Backup product. And we're able now to provide the compliance and recovery assurance for customers of those solutions. And since Unitrends has a very strong vocation in the backup as a service and disaster recovery as a service, our solution is now available to cloud providers so that end customers of vSphere and very soon Hyper-V infrastructures can actually benefit from cloud-based disaster recovery with the full compliance and reporting capabilities to satisfy in a very much faster and less painful way IT audits, compliance requirements, board level business continuity plans, and so on.
Yeah, so basically you've got a complete solution there with the sort of the traditional general backup product, the virtualization centered or centric type product, as well as your product that is basically making sure that all of the other 2 of those are doing their job.
That's right. Yeah, we have a value-added chain, if you will, that where we start with very strong, robust backup capabilities. We have deduplication, we have replication to the cloud, and then in the cloud we have this follow-on process, which is to rebuild the environment to verify that what has been replicated actually can be put back in production, that RTOs and RPOs are actually measured. I think we're the only company that can make a rightful claim that we calculate recovery time actuals and recovery point actuals. We can report on them, and this is how we're building more value and basically removing a big worry from IT planners related to whether they can fail over across infrastructures. It's something that they can actually sleep comfortably knowing that there is a process verifying that every single day.
Yeah, sleep and backups don't normally go in the same sentence. So, as a former backup administrator, I say thank you. Yes, that's where I cut my teeth, yes.
My first job out in the industry was actually a night shift operator.
Swapping tapes?
I was a co-op student at Monsanto Company in St. Louis.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Just hanging tapes.
Hanging tapes, cataloging, also verifying the procedures.
Yeah. Well, there you go. Learn something during the interview. So thanks for taking the time to talk.
Sure thing.
And thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos on TrueBit.tv.